The Supreme Court dismissed a plea calling for the introduction of a 24-hour Sindhi language Doordarshan (DD) TV channel. A bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra said no citizen can say that in pursuit of my fundamental right to set up a separate television channel, as there may be other means to preserve the language. However, the bench did not say what other means. The petition filed by an NGO, Sindhi Sangat, said the move would be in furtherance of Article 29 of the Constitution, which required the state to protect and conserve the linguistic, cultural and religious rights of minority communities. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, however, told senior advocate Indira Jaising, appearing for the NGO, that directing Prasar Bharati to start a 24-hour channel would not be the only way to conserve linguistic rights, the right which is claimed under Article 29 for preserving the language of the Sindhi population cannot result in an absolute or indefeasible right for the commencement of a separate language channel for a particular language, the court noted. Ms. Jaising argued that one of the ways to preserve the Sindhi language was through public broadcasting. She contended that Section 12(2)(d) of the Prasar Bharati, Broadcasting Corporation of India, Act, 1990 placed an obligation on the public broadcaster to provide adequate coverage to the diverse cultures and languages. The NGO had approached the Apex Court following the dismissal of its petition by the Delhi High Court on May 27. The High Court had found the plea misplaced and said Prasar Bharati's decision against a Sindhi channel was based on intelligible differentia. Senior advocate Indira Jaising, appearing for the petitioner's Sindhi Sangat, submitted before the bench that as per the government the start of a new channel required investment and was subject to financial constraints. I am espousing a public cause, not an individual cause. This comes under Article 29, she added. Jaising further claimed that this was the case of a language that does not have a state, like Parsi. If there would have been a state called Sindh, there would have been a channel. This language is included in the 8th schedule. Don't link your policy with territoriality, she said. The Chief Justice of India went through the government's response submitted before the High Court, which noted that a separate channel would cost around 20 crores per year. To this, Jaising said, which is nothing for preservation of a language. While dismissing the petition, Chief Justice of India Chandrachud told Jaising, this channel is not the only mode to preserve the language. However, he failed to say what other means. Indiavision finds that the courts in both the incidents were misled by the lawyers of the Union of India, state that as per 2011 census the number of Sindhi-speaking persons in the country is approximately 26 lakhs. The court did not take the notice that this figure is from 2011 and there is no proof the figure submitted by the lawyers of Union of India was correct in 2024. In the year 2009, the Doordarshan Kendra, Ahmedabad had sent a preliminary project report for a 24-hour Sindhi channel. As per the said project report, setting up of a full-time Sindhi channel would have incurred a cost of 8.55 rupees crores per annum for software and staff and 10.96 rupees crore for engineering wing, thus resulting in a total cost of 19.51 rupees crores per annum. Indiavision finds this cost is negligible compared to Sindhis paying in income tax and VAT. The lawyers of Union of India has said that Prasar Bharati was telecasting programs in Sindhi language on its DD Girnar, DD Rajasthan, DD Sayadri channels, which cover areas where the Sindhi population is mainly concentrated, i.e. Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. The said channels are available throughout the country. Indiavision finds this was a wrong and misleading statement and wonders how the Supreme Court have ignored and not asked for the details. Indiavision in its study finds that there is only a 30-minute slot is there in a week's time. Out of this 30 minutes, 10 minutes are used for their own publicity. In Marathi only 20-minute slot is available, which is repeated 3 times in a week. The producer of the program also asks Sindhis to bring the advertisement for the slot. Indiavision visited DD studio in Mumbai and Bhopal and observed the quality of the cameras and the equipment is rubbish. The sets were very bad, the technicians were not professionals and the quality of the programs produced by these named channels are poorer than amateur. In fact, there is no program or plan, it is just like the formality's sake making the programs. And these programs are so bad that no one wants to watch them. There's another point of view that the programs presented on DD Sayadri are bad. Fake producers, fake actors, who have done 2-minute videos, call themselves producers, directors and actors, are interviewed on DD Sayadri. Their background is not verified. Why would people watch such shoddy programs? The courts can say if you cannot make a genuine 30-minute program, how can you run a 24-hour DD channel? The Sindhi program on DD Sayadri is an embarrassment to the Sindhi community. Also, Indiavision finds the case is not brought forward in a professional way and demands that Chief Justice of India have another look at the matter instead of just to dismiss the matter. Which is very sad in Indian democracy. Thanks for watching. To keep updated, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up.